Hello everyone, my name is Anais. Today I just want to share with you a couple of things to take care of our body, our metabolism and our well-being. And it's very important at these times. As we know, there's lots of different viruses going around: COVID, respiratory problems, flus, COVID and many other things that are affecting people. And these are just a couple of tips to help you to take care of yourself. And if you're already doing these things, that's absolutely amazing. If you want to leave down on the comment as well what you do yourself, would be brilliant. So these are a couple of things that I use myself. So personally, many years ago I stopped smoking and drinking, and that's a number one thing that has helped me greatly in myself and in my well-being, because I couldn't breathe. I was always in the doctor. I used to cough up blood, but that's a long story. But these things now that I do and taking care of myself makes a whole world of difference. And it's important also because you're a spiritual being. And as a spiritual being, you know, it's even scientifically proven that if you speak life, if you speak blessings over yourself, over your mind, over your body, it changes the way you are. It changes your mindset. It changes and how you live, because you're speaking life. Because if you speak death, you know, oh, I feel this today, I feel horrible, I feel depressed, I feel this, I feel that, you know, yes, there's feelings and we might feel these things, but just speak positive over yourself, speak life, speak blessings over yourself, and you'll see a massive change, because it's things that I do myself. So here's a couple of things now that is really important. I shared before that I do different smoothies, different juices, you know, and a lot of things now I actually don't like the taste of, but I take them anyway because it's good for you. And you notice that. So definitely number one is fruit and vegetables, fresh fruit and vegetables in your dinner or in a smoothie, and whatever way you like yourself, you can do it. You know, even in the morning, you can use oats, you can use plain yogurt, whatever it is. But a lot of people today, not only children but adults, are consuming a lot of sugar, a lot of sugary drinks and things, and we don't know what's in certain foods. So it can be affecting you and affect, you know, you can feel sluggish after certain foods and tired after certain foods. So it's important what you are putting in your body, you know. So some fresh fruit and vegetables will do the world of good. Now, important for your chest, for your metabolism, I can't stress enough with the lemon, fresh lemon. You know, you can buy these things yourself, like here, green tea in health stores. But if you just boil the water yourself, put some lemon in and put some honey in, and even some ginger. You know, I have dry ginger here, and ginger gives you this energy, and it's just so good for you as well. In your daily life and in your diet, you will see a massive change. And here's the ginger here. You can grate that even in some of your food and things that you make. A lot of people don't like these, but like I said, you know, you can get used to certain things, and if it is doing you a world of good, why don't you do it? You know, so turmeric is really good for you. Cinnamon, just pop a small amount of these things in your foods, in your smoothies, in your breakfast. So the vitamins, I did a video there before on different vitamins, you know. So it's important that we put these in our body each day. Vitamin C especially. And then if you haven't been well, a cold or a flu, COVID, you know, these things, it is affecting people, and respiratory problems. To look after yourself, you know, homemade remedies, you know, there's many people, and antibiotics take a lot out of people, you know. So there's lots of things that you can do at home for yourself. So magnesium, you know, fixes your cells back together and everything, and it does you the world of good. So then for indigestion, take some aloe vera, peppermint. It's great for your indigestion. And cider vinegar, then put a small bit of that then in some water, and it's great for your stomach. Not too much. Make sure you read the instructions. I'm not a doctor, I'm just giving you tips of things that I do. Also at home, if you have, or if you can buy yourself, a dehumidifier, and what that does is you plug that in and it clears out the air, especially if you have children or yourself, or before you go to bed. But here's another thing that you can do. You can get a diffuser, and this is a really, really good one. I don't know if you can see that there, eucalyptus, right? So what you can do is you can put that in a diffuser, you can rub it on yourself. There's ones that you can get for your chest. But what it is it clears, it relaxes your lungs, it clears phlegm, mucus. It's just an amazing oil for your lungs. And I put that now in a diffuser in the bedroom or where we're all sitting down, and it's like just pure fresh air. And it's so good for your airwaves, for your chest. And that's also in Vicks Vapor Rub. If there's any colds or anything like that, you know, that eucalyptus is in that as well. It's like a minty peppermint smell, and it's really, really good. And also for sleepless nights, for lavender, to put that in a diffuser as well, and you'll see a massive change. But look, it's very, very important that you look after yourself, you exercise, even get some fresh air, a little bit of a walk, and it's important that you're speaking life over yourself. These are small little things now that I do myself, but they do a world of good in your body, your lifestyle, what you're putting into your body, how you're living, how you're speaking. So just take care of yourself and mind yourselves and each other, and stay positive, and you will see a massive change in yourself. So look after yourself. I'll talk to you again soon.